How to change language on Taobao. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Taobao. You'll be able to see the Chinese language on your Taobao application. Here's how you can change it. First of all, open your Taobao application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here tap on the icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, this will take you to your profile page. Now here you will be able to see the gear icon at the top right. Simply tap on the settings of the gear icon and now you will be taken to the settings page. Now in this page, you will be able to see three different sections. From the first section, select this fourth option. Once you select it, you will be taken inside it. Now inside it here, tap on the second option and then there you will be able to see the pop-up at the bottom. Now simply select the English language and then you can see you have successfully changed. Now tap on the confirm button at the bottom in order to save the changes. By doing so, now you'll be able to change language on your Taobao. So by following these steps, you should be able to change language on Taobao account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.